I'm going to steal Camcase's motorbike. Here it is. Let's steal the motorbike.
I wonder where is my motorbike? Oh my god. Where is my motorbike? Someone stole my motorbike.
Hello Camcase. What's wrong?
I'm afraid someone stole my motorbike. Wait a minute. I know who did. It was Devious Diesel ZX.
That's it. I'm going to chase him and arrest him. Ha 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 ha. Oh no. It's Matrix 954 in the police uniform. Stop right there. You are under arrest for stealing Camcase's motorbike. You're going to jail for 99,999,999 years. This is your cell. Stay in here for 99,999,999 years. Devious Diesel ZX. How dare you steal Camcase's motorbike? You know stealing motorbikes is wrong thing to do. That's so it. You're so grounded for 999,999,999 years. Don't even think about escaping from jail. Because if you do, you will be grounded even more. I'm stuck in here for 99,999,999 years.